Welcome to our guide on how to organize online chess tournaments with your friends. In today's digital world, it's never been easier to connect and compete from the comfort of your own home. The first step is choosing the right online chess platform. Look for features like user-friendly interfaces, chat options, and tournament modes that suit your group's needs. Next, it's time to set the tournament rules. Decide on formats, time controls, and scoring systems that everyone will agree on. Clear rules make for a smooth tournament experience. Now that you have the rules, it's time to invite participants. Use social media, group chats, or direct messages to reach out. Make it fun and build excitement. Scheduling matches can be tricky. Coordinate with everyone to find out the best times that work for your group. Flexibility and communication are key. Creating a tournament bracket is essential. Use online tools to visualize matchups and ensure everyone knows when they play. It adds to the excitement. Keep track of wins, losses, and player progress by recording results after each match. This way, everyone stays informed and motivated. Engage participants throughout the tournament. Use chats, polls, and friendly banter to keep the competition enjoyable and lively. After the tournament, celebrate the winners and gather feedback from everyone. It's a great way to improve future events. Thank you for joining us. Organizing online chess tournaments is a fantastic way to stay connected and strengthen friendships. Until next time, happy chess playing.